Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to add cover art to your local file on Spotify. Before importing, ensure your local music file are properly tagged. You can use software like MP3 tag to add album covers to the file. Then click here, then download this software, then install the MP3 tag. Then drag and drop your music and select your title, artist name, and album, and others details. After importing the song, open Spotify, go to settings, and scroll down and enable show local files. Then click add a source and select the folder where you put your music files. If the cover art doesn't show up, ensure it's embedded in the local file by re-adding the image using MP3 tags or similar software. And that's it, you have successfully added cover art to your local file on Spotify. Thanks for watching.